So now that we have the different textures applied, we really want to get this out and extract it. So what I want to do is go under UVs and maps and say extract texture maps. It's a new operation in this case. We'll call it video sternum. And I want to make a displacement map. When I click that, I get this options box. And I need to make it a little smaller so you can see it all. So if you remember, we created with the Shift D key, we started with level 0s, which we brought in. To make it ultra smooth, we kept hitting Shift D until we created 4 levels. So that's what we want to use. The software is saying this is the target, this kind of smooth one, and then you're going to take the information from level 4 and apply it onto that so that it looks like this. And that application is going to result from a map, a grayscale map essentially, that will look like this if it was spread out. So that's all good. The key element here is we want to switch to subdivisions. We also want to increase the image size. We're going to leave the anti-aliasing off. The output, we want an output of texture. We want to make sure we have 32-bit floating point per channel. And then you notice the extract is still not available here. Well, we want to, software requires us to show it where it's going. So we're going to say and I'm going to change the format to 32-bit floating point RGBA.EXR. And I'm going to save it. Let me see if I can make this box smaller. I'm going to save it in my project folder called skeleton render data, and then there's a shader folder inside the render data, and I'll just save it there. Now I have to say extract. And I'm done. I've got an extraction now. So the key thing key elements were make sure we're going from level 0 is the target, level 4 the one we made is going to send its information to level 0, work with subdivisions, not raycasting, up the image size, and make sure you're 32-bit per channel, and make sure you save in a format that can hold 32-bit floating point per channel. Okay, and that's it for the for actually transferring our displacement map out to a folder.